In 1995, we took our first steps in Spain with great enthusiasm. Then we grow, determinately, proudly. Our first ongoing journey in Madrid, Spain, and the same year in Italy, the capital city of fashion, Milan, has been extended today with Saudi Arabia and Syria. With the production plants we built in 2005 in China, and in 2010 we have become a great family, with numerous smiles. While we aim at the happiness of our little ones, we always keep our work great. We have been working for their happiness and healthy growth, with great pleasure. When we prepare our collections, we give priority to the essential things for us because we have always believed that baby and children are worthy and they deserve the best. We have always produced the best quality by working devotedly for their health. Today, we are confidently going to be the #1 brand in the world that offers the best quality performance in baby and child wear and accessory categories, getting the award of working with care on our products. Proudly. Our manufacturing facilities in Europe, the Middle East, and the Far East are the reason of happiness for millions of children. We introduced the brand Babydola to Turkey in 2010, and we endeared the fashion of 0 to 2 years old babies to the world. Today's young mothers trust Babydola's name same as generations before, with passion. We work every day to make Babydola a brand for all babies and children, and we run R&D programs thinking of the little ones. We do not miss any details for them. Carefully, with love. Babydola, cheerful babies.